Hello students, I Prabhat Sharma welcome you to the next lectures of the introductions of accounting. Today we will discuss about the users of the accounting informations. But before to start the users, there is a need to recall the concept of the accounting informations. The accounting informations provide the qualitative informations in the financial natures for taking the decision. But before to take the qualitative information, there is a need to use the complete accounting process to generate the informations. The generation of information is not itself the end. It is the way to communicate the information to the different users. So when it is prepared the financial statement, the three types of the informations can be used. The details of the net profit, details of the financial positions, and details of the cash flow in the organization. These will be very useful for providing the information to the different users. Now I am moving to the next. Users of the accounting informations can be divided into two parts. One is the internal users and the second is of the external users. You may see here the internal users are divided into three parts. One is the owner, second is the management, and third is the employees. And the external users are divided into the next part: bank and financial institutions, investors, creditors, government, consumers, and the public, etc. These are the external users, the examples of the external users. But I am giving you the just little bit difference between the internal users and the external users. Internal users having the direct role in the organizations. They are the direct participant in the organizations. So it means they people having the good faith interest in the organizations, and the second is the external users. They don't have the direct interest. They are the indirect participant of the organizations. So again, I'm moving toward the accounting information. These accounting information is provided by the after completing the complete accounting process of the organization may be called as the financial statement, which shows the income statement and the financial statement. So with the help of these, they can derive the information. Different users can derive the information according to their need. First, I am moving to the internal users. Internal users, the owners, those who are investing the money in the organization, huge amount in the organization, called their investment. So they want to know their safety of their investment, safety of their capitals, as well as the returns, what is referring their profit. So, with the help of the complete accounting process, they can derive the safety of investment as well as their return. And the second is the management. Management needs to the all the data of the financial natures is to be collected for the making the cost control or the expansion of the business means to take the future decision and making of policy, programs, strategies, etc. And third is employees. Employees means with the help of the accounting information, final account net profit, they can also see if profit are rising, they can demand for the increasing in salary and the bonus, etc. So these are the internal users, owners, management, and the employee. They have the direct interest in the organization, direct participation in the organizations. The second is the external users like the bank and financial institution, though both are providing the loan, money in the form of the loan, and they want to know the safety of their loan as well as the interest payment at the regular interval. So what does it mean? The bank providing the loan to the organization generally up to the middle level, middle period, like the 1 to 5, and generally the financial institutions are providing the loan for the long-term periods. So we are saying here both want the safety of their money in the form of loan as well as the interest should be paid to them regularly. So these informations can provide the informations to them, the business is solvent. And the second is the investors. The investors mean the shareholders. Those who have investing the money in the form of shares to the organization. They want the safety of their investment as well as the return in the form of dividend, earning per shares. And now the potential investors also with the help of this take the decision whether they should invest the money in the organizations or not. And now Creditors means the person those who are supplying the goods on credit to the organization. They want to know the credit worthiness of the organization, reputations of the organization, means the capability of the organizations to pay their money and proper time. And now the government want to know the calculations of the tax calculated by the organization, correct or not. And then this also helps to know the correct value of the tax liability of the organization. And the secondly is the government also want to know the organization is following the Company Act or not, means the act applying to the organization or not, the rules regarding that. So with the help of the information they can observe. Consumers, consumers means they can also be aware about evaluating the fair prices charged from them by the organizations. Now next is the public. The public means the contributions toward the public can be known to with the help of these informations with the contribution in the form of providing the employment to the various peoples. It means the salary given to the different persons. So this also help donations has been given to the different person. The role of the organizations towards the society can be observed with the help of the financial natures. So these are the data which providing to the information to the different users. Now again I am saying the internal users are the owners, management and employees, and external users are the bank, financial institutions, investors, potential investors, creditors, government, consumers and the public relationship also the one part of. So these are the part of related with the getting the information according to the need, and the organization is providing with the help of the financial statement. So we should first try to understand the complete process and then the process how to use and how to provide the information to the different users. Thank you.